You are in the channel of Carlo&Seb. Let's go! So today we will share with you the items we bought in the Louis Vuitton of Costa Mesa South Coast Plaza. We bought these items for the celebration of our wedding, so I hope you will enjoy these unboxings, and let's go! So we will start with the biggest one. So here we go. As you can see, it's all the time really fancy and really nice. It's really so cute with the novel of Louis Vuitton. So I really like it. So I start. I'm so excited. Ta-da! I show you. So it's really small compared to the size of the box, but yeah. So we have the dust bags like always, and I will show you now the product. Ta-da! It's the nice bébé, or nice bébé in French. So it's in the regular canvas of the brand Louis Vuitton. You have the vachetta leather on the top, and you have Louis Vuitton Paris. You have the vachetta around also, and on the back and down too. So I open it like that, you can see how is it inside. So you have two pillows in plastic. It's usual like that with the Vuitton, for just protecting the item for not to be packed, you know, so packed like, with pressure and really during the transportation from France or whatever. So here we go, I open it. So it's, I don't know if you can see it, but it's made in Italy. Sometimes it's like that, it's not all the time made in France. We tried to ask at the advisor, client advisor, if they have it with made in France, but no, for this item, no. So yeah, so here you have a different pocket for put the different products you wanted, here and here. So that's really cool, really practical. You have this other one with zip. So you have this zip too, so that's really cool. And here you have the manual. I don't know in English how is it, but the instructions, yeah, like how to take care of your products. You have the code of this product. You have all the time this one with the details of the how they made it, this product. So I don't know if you can see it. So it's a coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, and man-made lining. So you have this manual in different languages, so that's really cool. And you have also the price, so and the name of the model. So it's the nice BB and the value it's $1,200. And don't forget, it's outside of the tax, so it's a little more. So good things it was the wedding, because it's expensive. So here you have for the etiquetta, it's made in Italy, and you have it in vachetta leather too. So I really like it. It's really light, really lighter, the items of Vuitton when it's in canvas. So that's why it's really practical when you travel. Like that, it's not too heavy to wear it, no, to carry on. Sorry. So yeah, so that's really cool. So here you have also the space for put some strap if you want, like that. You can wear it like a bag when you arrive in the hotel, for example, if you don't want to put it in the luggage. And I really appreciate it because you can put a lot of things in this item. You can put all the perfume you have. You can put also the creams, the makeup, so the drugs too, the medications. So that's really cool. I really like it. Under that we bought also this product. So all the time with a nice presentation, like a gift. So it's a perfume. I don't know if you are able to see the name of the perfume. Oh, here. Sur La Route. On the road, I think the good translate in English. So it's a water of perfume, eau de parfum, 100 milliliters, 100 milliliters, 3.4 FLOs. So yeah, it's really the big size. No, the small size. Sorry. So I open it with you. It's like that. I really like the presentation. You have here the Louis Vuitton in metal, and you open it like that. Oh, and you have the perfume. So I really like it. So I remove it of the presentation. So it's like that. We added my name, Seb. You have the name of the perfume, Sur La Route, and the brand Louis Vuitton. It's in glass. And here it's magnetic when you open it like that, you don't forget it. And after, for the smell, it's really hard for me to tell you the details of the flavor. You have difference of perfume in Louis Vuitton, so I recommend you to go there to try to smell it and don't buy it online, because sometimes you can be not really happy about the flavor, so it's really better to go there. So yeah. And after, because we bought the perfume, and the client advisor knew it's for put it on our channel in YouTube, so she gave us some samples. So we have different samples of the different perfume of Vuitton. So thank you so much for our advisor to give us these samples. So also I want to share with you the nice message she gave us on the card, this client advisor. So she wrote that. I don't know if you are able to read it, so I read you. It's congrats on your wedding, enjoy your new goodies, Liz. And her name of this client advisor, it's Liz Monilla. So I recommend you really a lot this advisor, because she's really able to recommend you the good products you need, and she's really passionate. She gives really the time. She's really smile. She's really happy. So that's really a pleasure for us to be received by this quality of client advisor. So if you see us on YouTube, Liz, thank you so much again. And like that, we have just an amazing souvenir of this moment for our wedding items. So yeah, and I share with you the receipt with the cost of the two items we bought. So here you have the nice BB and the perfume. So the nice BB was $1,200 and the perfume 100 milliliters, $265. So the total was $1,465 plus the tax 113, so it's $1,078. So yeah, it's a good souvenir, at least for the wedding. And the good things with the fancy brands, it's because it's warranty, or you are close to be sure it's for the whole life, so you will remember it every time you will use it. So I really like that. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and don't forget to comment and put put likes on the video and subscribe on our channel. So thank you so much, and see you later. Bye bye.
So this is what we're looking forward to. This one, these are our options, I should say. So this is that. And this is 800 something. This is a different story. It's 1,200.